In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison between standard anti-aging products and a formula designed specifically for unique biological needs. When we look at the Walker Skin Protect, the biggest contrast is how it handles hyperpigmentation and firmness without the common side effects of generic creams. While many mass-market products are formulated for white skin and can actually cause spotting on darker tones, this serum targets the root cause of aging by reactivating cellular renewal. It is built to combat facial melting, which is that sagging sensation in the neck and jawline, and it does so by forcing the body to produce collagen and elastin at youthful levels. A standout feature here is the blend of Barbados cherry and black castor oil, which work together to regulate melanin and eliminate dark circles that often make one look tired. Comparing the bundles, the trade-off is clear. A single bottle is nearly $100, but the buy 3 get 3 free offer provides a massive 69% discount for those committed to a long-term routine. Users like Tasha have reported seeing deep dark circles fade in just 2 weeks, providing a glass skin effect that feels firm and hydrated without clogging pores. It effectively fills in smile lines and crow's feet using Gotu Kola to fight free radicals. This really seems like the winning option for anyone who has struggled with rebound effects from harsh cosmetics. Thanks for watching my review of this specialized serum. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more skincare breakdowns, and let me know in the comments if you have tried products tailored to your specific skin genetics.